Hello, my name is Lydia Daugherty. I'm a grandma and I have 6 grandchildren. I am crocheting right now for Easter a Zen Mandela cape. I'm working on the finishing stitches that go on the last row, and I'm making 2 of them. I have 2 5-year-olds that are going to go Easter egg hunting, and I want to keep them warm. I'm making them some headbands, some gloves, some leg warmers, and these little capes. I saw this pattern on Annie's Crochet and Knit, and it was a free one, so I decided I'd just look at the pictures and see if I can design some of my own stitches that I picked up along the way, and we keep learning. So I want to encourage all to try to do that. Here's a corner to corner. And it's a big shawl. Then also a hat. And the hat goes on for a ponytail. There you go. And these earrings, they got little bird nests for springtime. Do you like that? See the little birds? See the beads in there for the eggs? And also I have a scarf that I made a while back, all garters and knit. And I put fringe on. So, there we go. Having fun. I'm going to add some more on this one. I'm going to add some more navy blue. And I'm going to add maybe some lime green. Kind of a Seahawk color. I am in Washington, the great Northwest, and I love it here, as you can tell. I love pirates, I love dragons, and I'll show you all my little knickknacks. That's about it for now. I will edit this if I need to, and we'll do some more as we go.